Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. Today I'll share a little tip with you on how to eliminate slippage when a string wants to keep popping out of a block in your locking bridge system. Now this happens to be an Ibanez Edge 3 trem, which is pretty good. They've managed to solve some of these problems, but I've noticed that, you get the older Floyd Rose systems that are worn and stuff, they can become problematic hanging onto a string. And especially the licensed by, which can be all over the map in terms of quality. Anyway, back to the story. Let's say you're working away and you got this problem of the string popping out, just like that. That sucks, especially if you're in the middle of trying to do something creative or useful or a performance, all the above. Okay, so how do we deal with that? Well, typically you should have enough string left around you, the post, hopefully, where you can salvage stuff. So I'm just gonna unwrap a wind around the post there. Now the end of this is still in pretty good nick, but here's the process. Okay, it's very, very straightforward. I'm going to take about a 1/2 inch or so of this, of the end of the string here, and just bend it back on itself. Okay, and why 1/2 inch? Because it's a little easier to deal with. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, that's the fun part of dealing with strings, eh? We'll get that bent back on itself. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, now we have essentially doubled up the thickness of that string, and this will give us more holding power, more purchase, as it were, as we put it back into the block. Now, before I do that, I'm just going to carefully hack off I'm going to leave about 3 millimeters, 1/8 of an inch or so, on the end of that. Why? Because if the end of that string is poking out of there, you're going to be feeling it. That is a fact. Okay, so now I'll just pop that back in there. Okay, since it has double the surface area, this should just stick real nice, real nice. Now there's no way that should give me any trouble in a reasonable sense. Typically this kind of situation never happens with any of the heavier strings because they have all that meat there. There's other considerations. There could be issues with the pressure pads and stuff that, of course, that happens. But point is, double over the end of the string, double the amount of surface area that the pressure pad can work with. Simple trick, and it's very, very effective. Anyway, hope you get something out of that. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching. My name is Steve. Read the description below. Visit GuitarNiche.com. Freebies everywhere. Like and subscribe. Play loud. Have fun. Have a great day. Cheers. See ya.